Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or set default programs on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in default. Best match should come back with default apps. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go on the right side here where it says search default for applications. And if you scroll down, you can go ahead and actually see your various applications and what they may be default for. You can search this app field for a specific application if you want to set it as default. So pretty straightforward process, guys. So let's just say if we want to change the browser, for example. We just want to type in Chrome, and we selected Chrome and want to set that as our default browser. You just would select the Set Default button where it says Make Google Chrome your default browser. And that's all you have to do. And the same would apply for video players, web browsers, photo viewers, etc. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.